Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome back to my channel where I explore some of the most beautiful places on Earth. In this video, I take you on a walking tour of the breathtaking beaches of Maragogi, Brazil. This is one of my favorite places in Brazil, and I'm excited to share it with you. First things first, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. And don't forget to write a comment under the video to let me know your thoughts. Now let's get started.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Maragogi is a small town in the northeast of Brazil, and it's known for its stunning beaches with crystal clear waters and colorful coral reefs. It's often called the Brazilian Caribbean because of its natural beauty. As I walk along the beaches of Maragogi, I am in awe of the stunning turquoise water and white sand. The sun is shining, and the sea breeze is refreshing. The beach is dotted with colorful umbrellas and beach chairs, and there are many people enjoying the sun, sand, and sea. As I walk further along the beach, I come across a group of people gathered around a man who is playing the guitar and singing. The music is relaxing, and it adds to the already peaceful atmosphere of the beach. It's just one of the many things that make Maragogi so special. One of the most unique features of Maragogi's beaches is its natural pools formed by coral reefs. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Maragogi's beaches, and if you ever get the chance to visit, I highly recommend it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.